Okay, we're here at the 2017 PRI show in the Precision Turbo and Engine booth, and we got Shawn Ellington, the Murder Nova here. Thanks for coming by, Shawn.
I appreciate it, man. I have a great time every time I'm here.
How's the show been for you so far?
It has been busy as usual. I run around, I try to put my head down, I try to walk fast, I try not to be late, I try not to get in trouble, I try not to make any kind of eye contact with anybody, and I get to where I'm supposed to be at.
That's good.
But that doesn't usually happen.
I hear a lot of trying in there.
There's a lot of trying, and I promise I try, but, you know, it doesn't always happen.
So let's talk a little bit about Turbochargers. It's the 30th anniversary Precision Turbo and Engine, and we're kind of talking about success stories and things of that nature and how Turbo's helped you get there. You know, what have Turbos done for you and your program?
I mean, I feel like our program at Midwest Street Cars is always really good, but Precision has definitely made it way easier on us. Like, as far as, it doesn't matter what we have, I feel like we're the type of people we're always going to be fast. But the turbos have made life way easier, less testing, less freshen up of engines. It's just easier on parts. It's easier to control the boost. It's made my life, you know, a dummy like me who doesn't really know how to do all those things anyways, it's just made it easier.
Correct, yeah. Well, we appreciate all that, and we know you guys work really hard. I think you guys are models of the saying I use, determination conquers all.
No doubt, no doubt.
And so what are the 2018 plans for you and the Murder Nova, and what does that look like?
The new car right now is just, I don't think I could be any more excited about the new car than I am right now. We only had a chance to race it a couple of times last year. We had a few problems with it when we first got it out, but you know how that is with new car. New engine combo, same size turbos. But as far as that goes, we had a little bit of trouble coming out of the gates, but we've got pretty much everything lined out. The last race that we had with the car, last event race we had with the car, we did really well, and it'll actually be on the show, and we're excited. We think that the car is set on kill. It's ready to go, and I welcome any kind of challengers. Grab a lane.
So is the new car faster than the old car?
The new car, just from what we have had it at the track, a little bit of testing, is 4 or 5 tenths faster than the new car ever been.
Wow, that's awesome. So real quick, we just gave away the old turbos off the old Murder Nova.
Yeah.
So just a quick, and those things were beat. And
yeah,
those things
somebody's
were
probably cut their hands all up on them and everything by now.
How many passes do you think were on those things?
Oh man, Phantom, help me out here, man.
Over 1,500.
Yeah, there's well over 1,500. I was going to say somewhere around 2,500 probably. I mean, you got to think about all the burnouts that I didn't make a pass after I did the burnout and I broke something, or, I mean, we tested that car 4 or 5 nights a week, you know, that people don't see on the show. Right. You know, all the testing that goes in that they don't film, and then the stuff that they do film, you know, so a lot of passes.
Well, it speaks to the durability of the product, and we appreciate you testing it out for us.
No doubt, and I hear the same thing with the new car. You know, I mean, there's only a certain spot where you can put those turbos. We set the cars up a certain way to get down shitty streets, you know, bad surfaces, and so we bring the turbos as far back and as high as we can get them. And turns out that's just where the tire's at. So, you know, they eat a lot of rocks, and even with the new car, I'm getting a lot of people saying, "Aren't you worried about those turbos?" Well, I mean, I wasn't worried about the old ones, and they were just fine, you know, so it's one of those deals where this is where they work best for us, and I'm not really one to put some screens over them, you know, and they held up fine, in my opinion.
Well, I appreciate you coming by. Thanks for everything, and have a great 2018.
We appreciate you guys, man. Thank you very much.